This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. We are up on the 2nd floor, so we're elevated. We're at the front door here, so let's start off to the right. Tucked away down here, we do have the laundry and linen. Your linen cupboards, shelving, got your power box at the top there. You've got your tub, your space for your washing machine. You do have a dryer that's already in the property, and you've got an area there that you could put shelving at a later date. You've got your main bathroom at this end. So you've got a nice big shower, toilet, basin and vanity, your mirror. As we come down through, off to the right here, you have bedroom 3. First thing you'll notice, smoke alarms. So there's smoke alarms in every bedroom and the living areas, carpeted. And you've got your built-in robes. You've got downlights, stainless steel fans, blinds. Another great feature, you've got your mesh security. The outlook is green, very private from all the windows, and just a great outlook. So we go through, you've got the kitchen, so plenty of cupboards and drawers, nice big bench space. You've got your fridge recess, your oven, stovetop, more cupboards. You've got a Blanco dishwasher, double sink. Now this is as we go to market, so it is vacant. Everything you see is how the unit is at the moment. You've got the 2nd bedroom, once again, smoke alarms, downlights, carpeted bedroom. You've got your built-ins, your stainless steel fan. As we said, you got the green outlook again, you got blinds, and you've got your mesh screening on it as well. We come through, so open plan tiled. It is aircon, so it's a great, all through summer, winter, you've got the split system aircon, downlights, fans. Now this main bedroom is excellent, probably one of the best features of this unit. It is massive. Once again, carpeted. You do have your own access out to the balcony. Stainless steel fans, blinds. You've got the security mesh on there again. Nice big built-in robe. Smoke alarm in this one as well, as I've said. In behind here, you got tucked away, you got the ensuite. You got a lot more cupboard space in the vanity in this one. Big mirror, toilet, and you've got a nice size shower again. As we come through, look at the outlook out there. It's very private. We're elevated, it's private. You get beautiful breezes. It is quite windy today, but it just shows you do get a beautiful breeze coming through. And as we go out, nice green space, plenty of birds. Really lovely. Got a nice big entertaining area out here. Come home after work and sit and have dinner out there, relax, have a drink. Really good space. So the body corporate on this one is approximately $722 a quarter. The rates are approximately $475 a quarter. Currently vacant. Other units in the complex renting at the $320 per week if you're an investor. Owner occupier, it's ready to go. So if you're interested in buying it, it's affordable pricing, and equally suited to owner occupiers or savvy investors. This is a really, really good unit with plenty of features. So if you'd like to inspect, call me, Matthew, on 0409 275 107. We'd love to take you through. That is the tour of 3 of 17 Marian Street, Booval.